you beautiful peeps, my name's John, welcome to my channel. Today we have the wheel extenders for the Eachine EAT04. Here it is. It's intended to extend the wheelbase, but let me be clear right off the bat, these are with the slightly wider wheel shafts. So you're going to have to get the ones for your car specifically. I'll show you that when I'm actually doing it. But these can be put onto any other car. Like for example, it can be put onto the 104001 if you so desire to do so. But for now, I wanted to show anybody who buys a pack of wheel extenders, so that's wheelbase extenders, how they work, because it's not actually that clear. If you've already done it, this video will mean nothing to you, I'm afraid, but it took me a while to figure it out. Yeah, I'm a little bit slower than the rest of you, but you know what? I wanted to make a quick video up. So here we have the absolutely fantastic 04. What do I need? Yes, I need, firstly, to take a wheel off. So, use my fat belly to hold the car into position. No comments from you people out there. You take off the wheel and you take off the nut. While we are here, there it is. This is the 3.7 millimeters. So you take off the hex, get rid of that. And just for now, you take this pin out. Okay, so just leave that pin there for now. So what you do, okay, I made a mistake, so I had to go back to the start and begin. There was one thing that I forgot to do, and that was to put one of these little sleeves over. That's there to protect the thread so that you don't damage it. So let me try again. This, you put the O-ring over it like so, because what the O-ring will do is the O-ring will sit over like that to hold the pin in position. So you have to land. You need to hold this into position with your finger behind, because on this one specifically it moves in and out, as you see. Put that sleeve back on, and then you put this on like so. Grab your pin, push the pin in, and as you can see the pins come through like so. You see? Yeah, okay, it's hard to see from this angle. And then you pull the O-ring back over, which locks the pin into position. Now, the actual wheel itself is not put on with a nut anymore, and you don't use the hexes anymore. You take one of the bolts and the washers, you put the wheel on. Actually, I'm going to grab that because it'll be a little bit easier. Take your Allen key, and it's as simple as that. That is now fitted. That is good to go. As you can see, the steering's a little bit weird, but I didn't find any problems with it. And that's how you fit the wheel extenders. You put it onto all four corners. Beautiful. Maybe put them on just to the rears, give you some extra stability at the front to make it look a bit weird. Excellent. And it's that simple. So, as I said, for other cars, let me grab, like we've got the 144001 here. Oops. If I get rid of that, you need to make sure that you buy the wheel extenders for the 2.4 millimeter shafts, because obviously they are a little bit thinner, and it's important that you get the correct wheel extenders because everything has to fit correctly. There are some people that say these wheel extenders will affect the life of your wheel bearings, which I can see that happening. But I think it's going to take quite a long time for that to happen. Just in case, buy yourself some wheel bearings in the future. Do you know what I mean? So there you go. Nice, simple, very good mod on this car. It really makes it drive a lot better. I think so anyway. So if you like the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.